When animals become dependent on humans, looks like they're eating bread. They flock over every day, and then they sit on the roof all day long. That seems to be all they eat. Why people say, and why Conservation Office says not to feed the animals, because they become dependent on you. And if you don't feed them, they don't know how to get natural food. So they become scavengers. That's what they are. Scavenging for food. So sad. I just don't get why. I mean, you're better off feeding a human than you are an animal that can feed itself. So there you go. World of humans. Why I call them snappies. They're very eager to snap, but very slow to help each other.